this lighting is horrible. I'm finally off of work and it is currently like 5 o'clock right now, which is the worst time for me to be doing anything. But it is Wednesday, which means I leave for Coachella tomorrow. I was gonna wait until I like park, but I'm gonna be driving for an hour, so I'm just gonna talk. We're just gonna have a conversation. The angle is freaking horrible, but I'm trying to drive and vlog at the same time because still I've not gotten a car tripod. I think the last time I picked up this vlogging camera was when I was in Atlanta with Kiki, and that was in January. All right, I'm gonna update you when this lighting's a little better. Hopefully I won't get back to you because this is dangerous. But what I was trying to say earlier, it's 9 o'clock right now. It's been like 4 hours. I'm just now getting back to the apartment. I still have to pack, and then my flight is at 7 tomorrow, so that means I have to get to the airport by like 5:30. I feel like if I get there at 6, I'll be okay, but you never know who's gonna be at the airport that early in the morning. I have been running around all freaking day. After I got off work, I went to go get my nails redone because they looked really bad, and then one of my nails broke, so I was just like, let me go ahead and just get it redone today, the day before, that way they're like fresh. So I just went with this like chrome purple color. It's kind of like a rose gold, like lavender chrome, and then I just got them shorter, functional. After that, I went and got some sushi. I was supposed to go to a beauty supply store because I need to get a wig cap because I'm wearing a wig for one of my outfits for Coachella. But by the time that I got to the nail place and got my nails done, and then after I ate, it was already like 8 o'clock, and then most of them closed at like 8 or 9. I'm just gonna have to go when we land in LA somewhere. And then I was also gonna get like some berets or like clips or something for my hair because I think I want to do something with my hair for the last day. As of right now, I don't really know what I'm wearing on Sunday because I ordered something from Doll's Kill. I'll insert it on the screen, but I just dropped that off at the post office today to return it because I don't know, I just didn't like how it looked on me, and then I don't like dresses anyway, so I don't really know why I ordered it, but I like the idea of it. So now that was my only last option, so I have to find something in my closet. I need to go ahead and pack and probably go to sleep soon because I need to wake up extra early to freaking shower and wash my hair. I think Kiki's just gonna braid it on Friday. I don't really have that much to pack because I don't think we're doing that much on Thursday. Well, we might, but I don't know. And on Monday, I don't think we're doing that much either because that's when we leave, but our flight is like later in the day. I don't think I need any more extra outfits other than like 5 or 6. I'm only bringing a carry-on, and carry-on as in a duffel bag. I think I'm finna just lay in bed for like an hour or something, watch my YouTube videos, and then start packing because right now I'm pooped. I just want to lay right now. All right, so I just packed the clothes portion, maybe go to sleep in like an hour or so, and then pack the toiletries and stuff in the morning after I shower. Hopefully it all fits in that duffel. I'm halfway there usually. I wait till last minute to pack, but it's fine. I wanted to go ahead and get it out the way before I went to sleep. I'm not rushing to do it in the morning, trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I pretty much pre-planned it in my head. I know what I'm wearing. I just needed to pull it out. It's currently like 10:30. JK, it's 11 o'clock, so yeah, I'm probably about to pass out. We can get started tomorrow. It's about to be a long freaking day. Good morning, everybody. Today it is Thursday, which means we leave today. Well, I leave today. I think Kiki, Ebony, and Chris are already at the airport in New Orleans because that's where they're flying out of. I just got out the shower. It is 5:30 right now, so I'm about to go ahead, pack the rest of my toiletries, finish packing, and go ahead and head to the airport. I just want to go ahead and get started because will I vlog at the airport? I don't know. Ready to get today started.
Later.
Hey everybody, I didn't update you at all after I packed this morning because I literally got to my gate 14 minutes before my flight. Stressed, but it's okay. But right now we are headed to the Airbnb. It is 3 hours and 40 minutes away. We just left Melrose on Urban Outfitters, so we had to get some Calvin Klein things for this event tomorrow. Oh my god, Ryan.
You just said we went to Melrose on Urban Outfitters.
Oh, did I?
No, you did.
I'm hungry and I really want some food. I left my vlogging camera in the car the whole time. We've been running around ever since we landed. We had a struggle this morning with the rental car. It took us a little longer to get the rental car. We are just on the go and I am ready for a bed and some. You want to vlog a little, Ebony? No. Take it away, Kiki.
Here you go, Kiki.
Hi. You do this all the time, so don't be surprised here. I need to brush my teeth.
Wow.
People in LA don't know how to drive, people, or walk.
Wow.
They walk like they have no fear for their lives. Thanks to you, Nika.
Oh, you're done. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm just really mad that they made it extremely hard for you to get up this hill.
So y'all didn't want to build a driveway or
Something.
oh Lord, I look. Good morning, everybody. That's Kiki in the background. Remind me of the little girl in the bed. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning, which means it's 9 o'clock at home. So all of us are pretty much up right now. Yesterday was a chill. We just had a lot of problems yesterday. We didn't end up getting to the Airbnb until about 10 o'clock and it was dark and there were directions to follow. And yeah, we were getting really lost, but we finally made it to Airbnb. It's really cute. Gotta sneeze. Ooh, excuse me. So we're pretty much up right now because I guess we would be up back at home, which is good. So now we can try to get some content before we head to this Calvin Klein event. I can show you an Airbnb tour because it's really cute. Welcome to the Airbnb. Hello. All right, so when you walk in, this is the living room area. You have this cute section right here that has like a record player and a whole bunch of, oh, they got games.
Oh, games. We should play.
So there's this chair right here, this little what's this called?
Futon? I almost said foop.
And then there's this nice couch. Oh, this is comfy.
Treasure chest.
I like the projector. And then we have the kitchen area here. This is a pretty spacious kitchen.
Yeah.
I would like this in my house. Oh, is this like a toaster oven?
It's probably just an oven. That's the toaster oven right there.
Microwave. We got some coffee mug cups. We got a sink. And then a view of the background. Yard.
Oh, a backyard.
And then we have and then we have this dining area. But there's this nice bench right here. And then there's the dining table. We should try to eat breakfast here.
Well, we ain't got no food.
And then here's the island. And then these chairs that match that chair over there. Then you come this way. Right here, we have more towels and then like bed sheets. And then at the bottom, random.
A lunchbox.
Oh, how silly. And right here, this is the first bathroom. Simple, cute. One of the bedrooms. This is one of the smaller ones, but they all pretty much have the same setup. What does that door go to?
It's locked.
That's cute. So we have this clothing rack right here, a chair, and this cute rug. But that's the first bedroom. And then we go to the second bedroom, which is the one we, oh, I gotta do that. Which is the one me and Kiki are staying in. So this is the bed. We already tore this room up. But here's our cute clothing rack. Not enough hangers. Guess we can put our shoes right there. And then we have a side table, all our crap on. And then another one of these chairs. And then we have this mirror here, this window here, and it's just more of the view. And then there's our rental car right there that I want to punch in the face. Kiki. Well, that's the second bedroom. There's this cute hallway rug that I really like.
Oh shit, God.
Sorry. So I guess this is like a common area, but it's in the back of the house. This is like a little desk area. This is going to the backyard again. And then this is like another mini kitchen area. So there's technically like 2 kitchens. I guess convenient if you have a lot of people staying. Yeah, there's nothing in these. This is the second bathroom.
Oh, this is, oh, I like the shower.
Oh, that's cute. This is the second bathroom. Really cute, small, does the job. And there's another bench over here. Alright, we're not gonna worry about that.
Might be a monster.
And this is the third bedroom. This is where Chris and Ebony are sleeping in. This is probably the biggest bedroom. They have this cute mirror here. Hello. I need to get one of these for my room. Ugh. And then they have this desk area here. Then they have 2 closets. I meant to do the tour yesterday, but we got here late.
Ooh, baby, gonna get to you, girl.
That is the Airbnb tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a really cute place, and I think we're gonna get a lot of pictures around here and also outside. I'm excited. Yeah! We found the garage, y'all. Games in it, another mirror, washer dryer, another picture off area. Chris, oh my God, please don't. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Chris. Oh, this gonna tear my stomach up. Did somebody eat it? Is it good? So I'm about to start doing my makeup. I guess I'll just go ahead and talk while I'm doing my makeup. So as for yesterday, there was just a lot going on. So I didn't get that much footage. So I'm just gonna talk you through it. Landed at like 8:30. We had to go get the rental car. The rental car ended up being too much. So we went to another rental car place and it was a lot cheaper. That wasted like a good 2 hours or so because I had reserved some tickets for the Infinity Mirrors at 11:30, but we didn't get the rental car until a little after 11. It was gonna take like 30 minutes to get there. We weren't gonna be able to make that. And then we ended up getting some food at Earth Cafe. I just got me a chai tea boba because I love it from there. But we got that, and then I had another museum reserved at 1, but by the time we sat down to eat, it was 12:30. So couldn't go to that. Since I didn't get a wig cap at home, I had to get it here. And since we were already on the strip where Earth Cafe was at, I just went to this wig store and got one cap for $5.
$5? At a fucking beauty store, you can get it for $2 for $1. They tripping.
They were like a wig store or like a hair store. They didn't really have the wig caps out. Like she had to go in the back to get it. She packaged it really nicely. I was like, I don't need this packaging, but. And then we had to go to a whole bunch of stores to find Calvin Klein items to wear to this event. We were running around doing that. We just made a lot of stops. And by the time that we hit the road to head to the Airbnb, it was gonna take us like 3.5 hours to get here. I technically still didn't eat, so I was hungry. So we stopped at In-N-Out on the way. I was like, well, I mean, we're not getting there till it gets dark anyway, so might as well just get some food. So by that time, it was only gonna take us like 2.5 hours. We got here at 10 last night, and how the Airbnb is set up, it's like on a dirt road. It's dark, so there's no like street lights or anything, so we were really confused. We had the directions how to get here, but it was dark. Had to go up a hill, car wasn't going up a hill. Had to maneuver our way around, and it was just a lot going on to be 10 o'clock at night and for it to be dark, and we didn't even know where the Airbnb was. We woke up at like 6 this morning and we're about to start getting ready. It's like 8:30-ish, and it's gonna take us an hour to get to the festival. Party starts at 11, but before the festival starts, I think we're gonna go to that, then come back here, maybe chill, do some grocery shopping, then head back to the festival, because I don't think anybody we want to see is until later. Since the sun doesn't go down until like 7, we're not missing anything because I'm not trying to be out in that heat. So that's the rundown of yesterday. Just a whole bunch of L's, but it's fine. I'm about to finish getting ready, and then I'll show you the finished look when I'm done.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon.
Oh, what a lighting. KK, you look so cute. What are you doing? Trying to fix the lighting.
First step.
Okay, so first we're gonna do majority champagne. And then we're gonna take our black shrimp and shake it. And orange juice. Orange juice. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's. You said more orange juice?
Yeah.